Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an inverted or upside-down camera on your Windows 11. Whether you look like you are hanging from the ceiling or just mirrored incorrectly, we can fix that quickly, and the process is extremely straightforward as well. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before we dive into system drivers, we need to check if the issue is actually just a setting inside a specific app you are using, like Zoom, Teams, or the Windows Camera application. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and open the app that is showing your video upside down. So for example, let's use the default Windows Camera application, just for an example. First, go ahead and open the app, click on Start menu and open Camera. Now go ahead and just simply click on the settings icon at the top left-hand side corner. Now scroll down and look for an option labeled mirroring or flip video. If you see it, toggle it on or off to see if the image corrects itself or not. And if you are in Zoom or Teams, go to their video settings and look for a rotate 90-degree button or mirror my video checkbox option, because the fix is just one click away inside the apps itself. Now, if your camera is upside down everywhere, the driver is misinterpreting the physical orientation of your webcam. So we can fix it by using a generic driver, which usually ignores orientation data and displays the raw image correctly. Click on your Start button, then go to Device Manager. Now locate Cameras or Imaging Devices, then simply double-click on the device to expand it. Then you simply right-click on the specific webcam. It might say Integrated Camera or have a brand name like Realtek or Sonix. You simply choose that and right-click on it. Then you simply select Update Driver. After that, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will likely see two options, one with the specific brand name and one with the generic name, which is USB Video Device. Select that generic one, the USB video device, and then just click on Next. This will force Windows to use the standard basic drivers for your camera, and then this may check your camera again because 9 times out of 10, this flips the image back to normal instantly. And lastly, if the generic driver doesn't work, your latest update might be the problem. We can try to revert to a previous version that worked before. So what you have to do is simply go back to the same webcam entry in the Device Manager. Now just simply right-click on your camera or imaging device, then click on Properties. Now inside Properties, just simply look for the Driver tab and click on it. Now look for a button that says Roll Back Driver. Now if this button is clickable, go ahead and click that, then follow the prompts to revert it to the previous update. Now, if it is grayed out, it simply means there is no previous version to go back to, so you can skip this step. And that's it. Now your camera should most likely be fixed. So, I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.